So welcome to the Web Soil Survey and Russell tutorial. So an easy way to find out what kind of soils you have on your site is to use the USDA Soil Survey. It can be found on the web by simply going to a browser, typing in USDA Soil Survey, and searching. You want to make sure you're getting on the right site, so make sure it says websoilsurvey.nrcs.usda.gov, and that's the one you want. Once this page opens up, you really only have to hit Start WSS, and the best way I think to find your location is by typing in the address, if you have an address, and hitting enter. So the program takes us to our little address spot there. Next, you need to select your area of interest. You can do it by a rectangle or by drawing a polygon. I'm going simple with just a little rectangle. This is just telling me there's multiple soil surveys in my area of interest, which is okay with me. I want to go to my soil map so I can see what my soil types are. And there they are. So let's say we want to do some clearing and developing here along McClure Road. So along McClure, it looks like on both sides of the road we have BNF for our soil type. So I'm going to come over to the left-hand side of the screen here, scroll down and find my BNF. It looks like we've got Boyer loamy sand there. It's got 25 to 50% slope. It's a pretty slopey site. We either have to take that into consideration when we're designing, or if we've got the opportunity to maybe move somewhere else or look for an area of less slope, that would be nice. So we've got a little bit of a slope. Let's go ahead and click on Boyer loamy sand there. And look, it gives me a lot of other information. So let me see, what else have we got here? Back slope, slide slope, riser. We've got, it says that our slope is 25 to 50%, right? We knew that. Drainage class is well drained, runoff class is medium. We've got hydrologic soil group A, which would say that it probably has pretty decent infiltration, right? Although the slope may be affecting that, as it's quite a slope. All right, so with that, we'll go ahead and we'll take a look at our Soil Data Explorer. And then we'll go over to Soil Reports, there. We'll look over here on the left-hand side, we find soil erosion. So let's see, RUS2 related attributes, click on that. And then I'm going to say View Soil Report. Alright, when I scroll to the bottom here, I have my soil report. So I'm in my Washtenaw County. I'm in my BNF, Boyer loamy sand, 25 to 50% slope. It says I got a slope length of 98 feet. I'm in my hydrologic soil group of A. I can use my K factor for calculations, but instead I'm going to go to a website that does the calculations for me. So let me open up a new tab. Go ahead and type in Russell MSU, and there it is. Again, I want to make sure I'm going to the right website, so this is msu.edu. And this site will help you calculate your erosion rates. So we'll go down to calculate erosion. We've got a construction site, so I'm going to select that. We're in Washtenaw County. So there that is. Click next. Alright, you can put your site ID on here if you want to. I'm not going to fill that in, but I am going to say, okay, we're going to try and stick to our 25% slope. I don't really want to be building on the 50%. And our length of the slope was 98 feet, we said. Well, the closest I got is 100, so I'm going to select that. I've got my Boyer BNF right here. And let's say we're going to clear 2 acres. Alright, and down below, we're just going to say, yeah, we're not going to put anything on it for now. We'll take our chances, right? How bad can it be? Hit continue. And it calculated our tolerable, or our calculated soil loss for us. So that's in acres, or tons per acre per year. Looks like we're at 78.03 tons per acre per year, which is unacceptable. So it's showing us in red, and then it's got the asterisk says, you know, the erosion from this site appears to be higher than the tolerable soil loss. Well, yeah, because the tolerable soil loss is 4 tons per acre per year. So we got to try and get below that. So let's go on back. We're going to have to add something to it here. So let's see. Straw. We've got a land slope of 25. But see, the run can only be 75. So that's not going to work for us. Nope, doesn't look like we can put straw down. Okay, the next one here is crust stone. Let's see. Yep, we can do 21 to 23 inch slopes, or percent slopes, and we can go up to 100 feet. So let's try that. Throw a little stone on there. And looky there. Our calculated soil loss is nicely, just barely, below the tolerated soil loss. So that would be acceptable. Let's try a different type of cover and see. Let's see what the wood chips do. We got a wood chips here, yeah. So there's 21 to 33% slope, 100 foot length. Try that. See what we get here. Wow. Yeah, now we're doing real good. So our tolerable soil loss is 4 tons per acre per year. Didn't change, right? But our calculated soil loss now is only 1.56 tons per acre per year. So for the potential soil loss total is still underneath the tolerable soil loss. So that's great. And hey, wood chips are probably cheaper too. Alright, so there's your tutorial on how to do the Russell equation and how to use the web soil survey. Hope you learned something out of it, and hope you get a chance to use these tools to help you with your soil erosion and sedimentation control.